Mr. Grind Production.
Man, ain't nobody got time for that bullshit,
I ain't
man.
got time for that shit neither. I get tired of you saying somebody always in your motherfucking business, Andre.
But they is, man. Hold on, man. God damn. Turn around. There's always some shit.
Yeah, you
God damn. What's up, my nigga? What's cracking, pimp? Man, what the business is?
Shit, my plug fucked up, all fucked up, the Chevy broke down, and these fuck niggas that rolled by stunting on me. Nigga, holler at me.
I'll holler at you in a second, fam. I'm out.
DJ Bad producer.
Got this show quarter big done. We about to crank it up. I don't know what they think either, my nigga. We got Purple and Dunn up in here. Yeah, Northwest Seattle, baby. Hey, Pimp. Pimp, they ain't ready, player. Do your thing. This the Alabama shit. Mix with that Northwest hit. Let's go. I don't think that they ready. I don't think that they ready, Pimp. Hey, Brando. Hey, Pimp. I'm thinking, Sean, why don't you rock with me? Let's go. I'm Sean Kim aggressive. Rookie that's in his prime. Full court press. Get the packs for 4 or 5. Hit the track. Sold on that. Bramo back. I'm going live. Make a stack at the racks and watch the money pile. Now I'm in the kitchen. I'm whipping me up a living. Cranberry on the dressing. You're thinking it's Thanksgiving. Got the wax on fire. I'm hearing the fire engine. And they tried to put me out, but the blade, they keep extending. And did I mention I'm still out collecting my pensions? I've been at it for 5 days, and this can be a risky business. Baby mama acting stupid cause she ain't rolling with me. I got a 5'9" stallion that look like a gypsy. Might get tipsy on the pavement, roll a joint like a hippie. I keep that styrofoam cup so they don't know what I'm sipping. I got an 8-pack contract asphalt where I'm dripping. The way the shoes hit the pavement, you see the walk like it's crippin'. I be on the pavement, look at me, I'm amazing.
I be on the pavement, look at me, I'm amazing. I be on the pavement,
I be on the pavement.
I be on the pavement, look at me, I'm amazing.
Fuck niggas wanna try, I promise you get got. Coming straight from your spot to the pot. Fuck niggas wanna try, I promise you get got. Coming straight from the pot, to the block. Dirty blocks, dirty rocks, fucking with them dirty cops. This game ugly, snitches got a dirty plot. I'm on the pavement, sour apple martini drop. This what I'm raised in, same coast as Cuban pot. Dirty money, counted by the bag hustler. Let's cut the check, the fiends and the plug lovers. Name good, 100 for the straight push. Great look, Pyrex fishing to get your frame cooked. Hot summers, cold winters and long nights. Born sinner, fast living from a hard life. Now I'm winning, product pushing, got the market right. Champagne popping with rain dropping, Seattle life. Fucking with them Bama boys, riding in this road tie. Dirty money stashing under mattress for the dope dry. Moving through the traffic, drop the top down to bless the sky. Young and rich with it, weigh it up and count it right. I be on the pavement, look at me, I'm amazing.
I be on the pavement, look at me, I'm amazing. I be on the pavement,
I be on the pavement.
I be on the pavement, look at me, I'm amazing.
Fuck niggas wanna try, I promise you get got. Coming straight from your spot to the pot. Fuck niggas wanna try, I promise you get got. Coming straight from the pot to the block.
I'm a small time dope boy, broke down Chevy, 2 choppers in the trunk, bitch my whole clique ready. Finna run up in this nigga trap and take what he's selling. One false move, bitch, I send this whole house to heaven. I'm a west side gorilla, fuck y'all niggas. 4 banana clips for y'all monk ass niggas. We want everything, dawg, plus the money in the sofa. I'm greedy before I leave, I snatch them pennies out your loafers. I'm taking everything, dawg, I even want the toaster. Pictures off the wall, 95 Sammy Sosa. The nigga came up, fucking bitches like Oprah. The hoe put him on, bought him a whole block of coca. Y'all nigga playing, my whole camp focus. Took the crack for the junkie, left the weed for the smokers. Brian 85 in the 85 focus. Hit ATL, dog, and blowed all of that smokers. God damn.
I be on the pavement, look at me, I'm amazing.
I be on the pavement, look at me, I'm amazing. I be on the pavement,
I be on the pavement.
I be on the pavement, look at me, I'm amazing.
promise you get got. Coming straight from your spot, from your